What happened when humans discovered metal? Welcome to the Bronze Age, a time of inventors, travelers, craftspeople, and extraordinary new technologies. In Archaeotrek's Bronze Age program, pupils step into the world where people learn to transform Stone Age knowledge into something entirely new. They explore how the introduction of metal technologies reshaped communities across Britain, Europe, and the Mediterranean, bringing new tools, new weapons, and new networks of exchange. Pupils discover how archaeologists reconstruct this world from the clues people left behind: monuments, burials, pottery, and metal objects, and how new scientific discoveries are transforming what we know about the arrival of new populations in Britain during this period. Our sessions also encourage pupils to look beyond objects and think critically about how artifacts help us reconstruct people's lives. Using archaeological and scientific evidence, pupils explore how children learned skills, played, and became active members of their communities. The program also takes pupils beyond Britain to explore the remarkable cities of the Indus Valley civilization, where archaeology reveals sophisticated urban planning, craft production, and thriving long-distance exchange networks. And pupils don't just learn about this world, they experience it. In our experimental archaeology workshops, they cast a Bronze Age axe in a safe environment. They try their hand at weaving and shape their own prehistoric pottery, discovering how practical experimentation helps archaeologists ask new questions about the past, and sometimes find answers. To see the full range of sessions and workshops available, visit the Archaeotrek website.